Alright, welcome to the coding session of lesson 6, our naive-based classifier. And we're going to introduce a new dataset here, which is the IMDb dataset. It's a very popular dataset, and it's actually the Internet Movie database. One great thing is that IMDb comes pre-packaged with Keras, and I'll show you just in a minute that it saves us a lot of pre-processing here. Yeah. So basically, the database contains 50,000 reviews. 25,000 are set aside for training, and 25,000 are set aside for testing. And in each of these packs, you have 12,500 positive and negative review. These are highly positive or highly negative, so there is a clear distinction between them. Now, it comes with Keras. What does it mean? Yeah? Well, it means that we do not need to tokenize. Tokenize is something that I need to explain. Yeah? So you have a sentence: the cat chases the mouse. Yeah? We know that TensorFlow from Google only takes tensors in, yeah? And tensors are a block of numbers. Here we have text, so we need to convert this text to numbers. The way we do it is we're gonna assign an index to each of these words. Yeah? Let me show you here how it works. So the rows are your 50,000 reviews, and the columns are gonna be your vocabulary. In this case, we decided that our vocabulary is the 7,500 most frequently used words. So basically, you give them an index, 1, 2, all the way to 7,500. Yeah? Each of these words will correspond to an index. Yeah? So for example, number 4 here could be, assume that number 4 is the word the, and it appears twice. So let us assume this is the word the. It appears twice, and then what does appear once is, just take a few. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 2 is 5, because the appears twice. Yeah? And this you do for all these reviews. Because we're going to limit the length of the reviews to 150 words, you're going to have 7,350 empty columns per review. And some words can appear more than once, so it will be actually more. Yeah? So what you're going to have is, this is going to be a sparse matrix, meaning lots of zeros. Yeah. And now what you do is you create from that sentence, you create a list of indices. So review 1 is your list. You start with the is your item number 4. The has index number 4. Yeah, and cat maybe 180. The cat chases maybe 150, and the is again 4, and then mouse could be 3,512. So I just converted this sentence to a list of sequences. Yeah. Now, Keras already gives you the list of sequences. Yeah. So this is actually already provided by Keras. So we don't need to do this pre-processing. Yeah. Of course, we don't need to split the data into train test labels, and it has already been taken care of by Keras as well. So okay, so if you understand that, we are ready to go coding. Just know that this way of converting text to numbers is not the most sexy way. We call this one hot encoding. One hot encoding. There's other more elegant ways, and we will deal with the more elegant ways when we deal with the chapter on deep learning and recurrent neural networks. Alright, let's go and do some coding.